The gym smelled like sweat and metal. My headphones were blasting music so loud I barely noticed how quiet the room had gotten. I was in the middle of a heavy lift when I glanced in the mirror. Several treadmills were still running, but no one was on them. One had a water bottle on the ground next to it, tipped over and dripping. A weight bench had a towel lying across it, with no one around. I pulled my headphones off. The music stopped and the silence felt strange. No clanking weights, no people talking. Just the sound of machines still moving with no one using them. "Hello?" I called out. My voice echoed. No one answered. A few people were still there, but they looked confused, turning in circles like they were trying to understand what had just happened. I grabbed my towel and walked toward the door. My footsteps sounded loud against the floor. Outside, the parking lot was still. A car sat with the driver's door open and keys in the ignition. Another car's engine was running with no one inside. A bicycle had fallen over in the middle of the sidewalk. Far away, I heard a short scream, then nothing. My phone buzzed. I pulled it out and saw messages. "Are you still here? It happened. Please tell me you made it." I opened social media. Videos showed empty clothes lying in streets. Cars crashed into poles with no driver. People crying, yelling, pointing at the sky. I told myself it couldn't be real, but deep down I knew. I looked back toward the gym. In the reflection of the glass doors, I saw my own face, pale. Behind me, a woman sat on the curb holding a small child's shoe. Sirens started in the distance. More joined in until it sounded like they were coming from every direction. Fire trucks, police cars, ambulances. I tried calling people. Most calls went to voicemail. One finally connected. A friend's voice shaking. "They're gone. All of them. It's the Rapture." I froze. My mind ran through every warning I'd ever heard, every chance I'd had to get right with God, and ignored. The Rapture happened, and I was still here. I sat down on the hot pavement. Around me, some people shouted names. Others just stood sterile, staring into the distance. So I'll ask you, if it happened right now, would you be ready? Or would you be like me, stepping out of the gym, realizing too late that every warning was true? Don't wait for the silence. Don't wait for the empty spaces. Get into the Word. Don't take someone else's word for it. Read it yourself. See what God has to say before it's too late